Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 5 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, the greatest reformer. SLOs of this lesson are develop listening, reading and speaking skills, develop creating writing skills and develop critical thinking skills. Now look at the page number 12, what we have here. Listing words having hard and soft C and G. Also explain why the sound is hard and soft. Now let's discuss what is the C soft and hard sound and G soft and hard sound. We have a chart here. Let's discuss this one first. Hard and soft C sound. The letter C has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. If the letter after the C is IE or Y, the C makes the S sound, soft sound here. If it's any other letter, the C makes the K sound, hard sound here. The hard sound of C occurs most often. K, cat is a hard sound here. Scent, S is a soft sound here. Look at the examples here of hard C sound. And we have so many words here. Corn, castle, card, comb, cat, camel, cook, cop, camp, cable, cake, cuff, cup, cast, cold, cuddle, candle, current. K is the hard sound of C. Now look at the soft sound here. Now look at the soft sound here of C. Braces, space, face, juice, liters, ice, police, price, pencil, act, rice, ass, voice, price, recess, city, icy, scent, celery, mice, cereal, circle. So remember that hard sounds start with K and soft sounds start with S, the sound of S, and the hard sound with the sound of K. Now look at the hard and soft sound of G here. The letter G has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. If the letter after the G is IE or Y, the G makes the J sound, the soft sound here. If it's any other letter, the G makes the G sound, hard sound here. The hard sound of G occurs most often. Look at the example here. Got, it is with hard sound of G. And here the giraffe, J, with the sound of J. It is the soft sound of G. Look at the hard sound of G words here. Got, gutter, game, dragon, gobble, foggy, coal, cap, glue, glass, good, go, gas, gum. Look at the soft G sound words here. Just, angel, gentle, with the sound of J. Huge, James, sledge, giant, danger, genius, edge, germ, bridge, gem, orange, journal, cage, engine, nudge, wage. Now you have a very good idea of hard and soft C sound and hard and soft sound of G. Now look at the page number 12. Here, the writing workshop, C section. Writing a paragraph on the qualities of my dream leader. What you need to do, you have to write a paragraph on the qualities of my dream leader. You need to think of a good leader has a model character. Model, which is example for everyone, which everyone needs to follow. It is of greatest importance that a leader is trustworthy to lead others. A leader needs to be trusted and be known to live their life with honesty and integrity. A good leader keeps his promises, so earn the right to have responsibility for others. So, a good leader needs these qualities and should have possessed these qualities here. So, you have to write your paragraph on the qualities of my dream leader. Think of it, what qualities your dream leader should have. Think about it, organize your thoughts in sentences and paragraphs. Or in a paragraph, you have to write one paragraph on this topic. Now look at here, using a dictionary here. Step 1, find the section of the dictionary with first letter of your word. Dictionaries follow alphabetical order. For example, dog begins with D, which means that it will be in the section after C and before E. These steps are for you to find the words in dictionary. It will help you to find every word you want to find in a dictionary. Look at the step number 2 here. Read the guide words. These are 2 words at the top of the page that will tell you what types of words are on the page. These words will help you to find out you are looking for in the right letter section. Step number 3, scan down. Scan means to search down the page of your word. If you are looking for the word futile, for example, you would have move fast, fury and fuse and fuzz here. Look at the step 4. Once you have located the word, it will tell you exactly what it means, and if it has more than one meaning, it will tell you the most common one first. How to pronounce it, how to capitalize it, if it's a proper noun, what parts of speech, and so on. You can see the examples here. Rice. Rice is a noun. Short, narrow, white or brown grain or wet land in the hot countries as food. A grain of rice, boiled, steamed, fried rice. Long, short grain rice, brown rice without its outer covering removed. Rice paddies, rice field is a visual vocabulary, page 28. So we have other examples too here. I want you to read it. This is your home task from summer pack, page number 11. This is also your home task of soft C and hard G sounds. And you have to write a paragraph on my hero. You have to write about a person you admire or you like in your life. You have to write on this. Write a paragraph on the given topic. I hope you can do this very easily. And what you need to do, you have to stick a picture of that person here, of your favorite hero. You have to paste a picture of your favorite hero here. Dear student, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.